Imagine your animated character speaking with realistic lip movements. Sounds tricky, right? But with Canva, it's totally doable. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to create lip sync animations that will elevate your content. Let's dive in.
After watching this tutorial, you can also create your own character like this. Click Create New Design, then Videos. Click on Elements and search for Talking. Go to Graphics. Then click on this 3 hamburger. Filter Animated. By doing so, you will only see animated elements. You can do this for any search items. Let me select another one. This has the lip sync I need. You can use your own voice, but I will use Eleven Labs to generate the voice. Sign up if you don't have account. Let's write some text.
Hi, this is
Click
Tess.
on Download icon to download the file. Now go back to Canva and upload the audio. Drag the audio to the workplace and adjust its position where it matches with the lip sync.
Hi, this is Test. Hi, this is Test.
Let me show you another way which is effective and free. Search for Adobe Animate Your Voice. Click on Start Now and sign up with Google to get started. You will see this page where you will see many animated characters to choose from. I will search for my character. Oh, here he is. Now you can also choose your background. You also have wide variety of background to choose from. I would suggest you to select green background, otherwise it would be difficult while removing the background. You can also adjust the position of the character. Click on Browse to upload the audio file, or you can directly record your voice as well. It will take some time to process the audio. Click on Download. Now upload the downloaded file to Canva to start editing. Drag and drop the file.
Imagine your animated character speaking with realistic lip movements.
Click on Canva Video Background Remover. To remove video background, you need Canva Pro account. Now you can use this in any of your design. Now, I will show you hack where you can take benefit of Canva and Adobe. In Adobe, you will find these lips. Click on any one of them. I will choose a realistic one. Let's change the background color to green. You can hit record to record your own voice. I will upload the voice which we had generated from Eleven Labs. Hit that download button. Now let's come back to Canva and upload the file. Search for your character by going into Elements. Go to Graphics. Let's use this in our design. Now, what you need to do is press R on your keyboard, and you will get this rectangle. Adjust this rectangle and cover the portion on the character's mouth. It will look something like this. You can now change color of the rectangle to match with the character. The good thing about Canva is it helps you match the color. It's time to bring our mouth animation to our design.
Hello there, this is a Me Digital Canva
Click on
Mastery.
Remove Background to remove background. Now adjust the position of the mouth as you noticed it requires Canva Pro account. So let me show you another free way to remove video background. Let me remove the mouth and download this file in PNG or MP4 format. For now, I will download in PNG format. Now open Capcut. Create new project. You can click on import or you can simply drag and drop the file. Click on this plus icon and bring the file in your design. Bring this mouth animation on top. Click on Remove BG from right side. Then Chroma key. Choose color picker and select green icon. Now adjust its intensity to remove its background. Now adjust its position. Zoom out a little bit.
Hello there, this is a Me Digital Canva Mastery.
Let's remove the unnecessary part pressing this icon. And there you have it.
Hello there, this is a Me Digital Canva Mastery. Hello there, this is a Me Digital Canva Mastery.
If any of these methods don't work, you can go to YouTube and search for green screen mouth. Now you know how to bring your character to life. For more videos like this, do check out my other videos.